In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. I'm using Workbench with random colors, and the image size is 512 by 512 pixels. The mesh was created by creating and duplicating spheres. S to scale, S and X to scale on the X axis, S and Y to scale on the Y axis, and so on. Shift D to duplicate, R to rotate, and Control A to reset all transforms. Let's mirror the mesh. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. These were the results, but as we can see, the scene looks too dark. When this issue occurs, please use an external image editing applications like Krita or Photoshop to adjust the brightness like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.